guys, it's Luvableviet, and today home renovation project is for Kate. This room that I'm sitting in is actually now Kate's new room. Yes, there's plenty of other room I can put her to, but I'm not quite ready to let her go and live in her own room to where she's away from me. So I decided to transform my vanity room into her room. We did a few things so that I can keep an eye on her as well as give her her own little privacy. I do plan on giving her her own room further away from me when she's about 4ish. I'm just not ready to let her stay by herself. And yeah, I know there's baby monitor and whatnot. I kind of want to keep an eye on her because I'm kind of a tiger mom. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through on the transformation of the room as well as how we got it all done. So let's get started. So this is the before look. We cleared out this chase area that was there before and we decided to put in this crib. We purchased this at BABYKATE and I've linked the crib link down below if you're interested in purchasing the same crib as us. The mattress that's on the crib as we speak is by Cᴏ, and I must say it's so disappointing, mainly because the baby literally refuses to sleep on the crib. So she's been sleeping with us because she just does not like that mattress. Fast forward 7 months after Kate has been delivered and I'm now pregnant with Kara. Here's the problem. Now that Kara's in the picture and she'll be delivering in January, Kate really needs to start sleeping on her bed. So we decided to revamp my vanity room so that she can have her own room and she's not too far away from me. So the door that we chose has windows so that if she does wake up and I can actually see her and she can actually see me, it gives her more comfort. And with the door, it will block if Kara does cry at night because Kara will need to be fed every hour and then every 2 hours, and until she sleeps throughout the whole night, Kara will not be joining Kate into this room. So it's technically not an emergency that we have to give Kara her own room now. We already purchased a baby bassinet, so she'll be fine for a good 5 months at least. Today's goal is just to put the door in and hopefully we can get at least 1 coat of paint on it. And we did just that. Chris is currently painting the first coat and he'll finish it tomorrow. And during this time, I'm going to let the baby talk to Grandma and Grandpa. Anh nhìn cái kia mở con. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. Chris is currently painting on the second coat. After that is dry, he's going to peel off this plastic thing that he has over the mirror. I'm going to go ahead and clean up my vanity area and he's going to put a dummy lock on the door. Obviously there are many ways you can do this. He really asked me if I wanted to put a lock on it and I wasn't comfortable, I guess, with putting a lock on this door. So we're going to put a dummy lock, so just knob that open and close with a magnetic stick that kind of hold the door shut, but we're not going to add any lock to this door. And if you would like to redo this project, we got everything at Home Depot. Instead of drawing where this thing is supposed to be, he just used a knife to kind of cut around it. He's just being lazy, but it works, so whatever. After that plate is screwed to the door, we just close it and it attached just fine. Now that both of the magnetic plate is catching on and it works, we're going to go ahead and tighten all of the door knob or the fake dummy knob, and that's it. I want to give a shout out as well as to thank Newton Baby for sponsoring Cate this amazing mattress. Not only is Cate able to sleep better at night, I actually got more sleep because I don't have to constantly wake up to put her back to bed, because the other mattress, Cate constantly wakes up, she just doesn't like it, and with this one she sleeps beautifully throughout the whole night. My favorite part about this mattress is it's 100% breathable, it's washable, and recyclable. The selling part for me is the breathe-through technology that makes this breathable. You can literally smush your face on it and just breathe normally. So this reduces the chance of Cate being suffocated while sleeping, because she is a tummy sleeper, so her face literally is on the mattress. At only £11, it is incredibly convenient for new mom or grandparent trying to change out the sheet and clean up the messes. So I love that it's lightweight, and yes, it is fully washable. So the cover goes directly into the wash, and the core can be sprayed down in the shower or the tub for a completely hygienic crib environment. Hence why you can see the zipper on the side that goes all the way around. You do just unzip and toss into the wash. I don't want you to get scared off by the price because it is a little more expensive than what you would get in store. However, it is a 2-stage mattress, so it's firm enough for the infant as well as cushy enough for a growing toddler. This is something that Cate can grow into, and ultimately you do get what you're paying for. Because it is made from maximum airflow, it helps regulate the body temperature and help the baby sleep longer, which in turn allow you, the tired mom and dad, to have a better night's sleep.
We have to take it back off because we have to put a cover on it, right?
At least it doesn't make those rubbery plastic sound. Hopefully Cate will like it.
It feels a lot more comfortable.
I think so too.
And the bottom just felt a little hollow on the inside. This is kind of like our mattress.
Yeah.
A little bit in the frame.
I think she's gonna like this one more than the other one.
Fine with me.
So this one is by Sealy. You can feel it. It's very plastic-like, and yeah, I think it'll be good if your baby's gonna pee outside the diaper, but my baby did not like this mattress at all. So what I did here is I put the Sealy all the way in the bottom and the new mattress on top. This way I can kind of raise this up. Now that my stomach is getting much bigger, it's very hard for me to bend over, and so this would just work better for us. And it's like right here, you know, I can pick her up so much easier. Overall, I like the way the mattress. What you think, Cate? You like it? Yeah. Hi.
Also stand up already.
Hi, Cate. How you doing?
Stay.
Like I said, my baby is a tummy sleeper, and I used to have to wake up all the time at night to check to make sure she's okay. And here is the final look on how Cate new room looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this light on. It's pretty simple for now, and obviously it's going to change again with Kara in the picture. But this is how Cate room looks like for now, and of course the next video when we put in Kara's crib will be up very soon for you guys to enjoy. With such a positive experience with this mattress as well as this company, my husband and I has talked it over, and we have decided to purchase another mattress out of pocket for Kara because Cate loved this mattress so much. We just have a feeling that Kara will too. It does come in 4 different colors. The color that I have right now is gray. It also comes in white, pink, and blue. I am so positive you will love it, and this company is too. That's why they're offering a 100-night trial, so you can try it for 100 nights. If you don't like it, then you can return it. It's free shipping and free return. So go ahead, check them out. I linked the link down below, as well as everything in this room. So if you're interested in recreating this room, I have linked whatever I could still find that's available online for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. If you haven't yet, do join the Luvableviet family by hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the bell for new video notification. And I'll see you next time. Bye!